Presenting Philippine Loop Adventure Trip, the best of the
Good
Philippines.
morning, dito na tayo ngayon sa Iluan Port at nakasakay tayo sa Fastcat at mamaya madadaanan natin yung Masawa. Yes, yung nakikita nyo ngayon yan po ay ang Maligbos. Yung bandang kumaliwa po tayo dun. Pupunta na tayo dun sa may bandang Limasawa. Kaya tingnan natin ano yung tsura niya dito. Overview sa Fastcat. Guys, yung nasa economy section ngayon, pasok naman tayo sa premium ng Fastcat. Ayan, makikita nga. Kasi ito medyo air condition siya. Ayun na pala parang JD mo order na pre. Ay, siya hindi. Si Kuya. Morning po sir. Ito yung mga pagkain na makikita dito sa Fastcat Food and Beverage. So medyo maaga pa po, kaya ang gagawin na foods. Yan. So guys, order muna kami. The distance from Liloan Port to Surigao Port is approximately 94 nautical miles. For a Fastcat ferry, which typically travels at speeds around 20 to 22 knots, depending on conditions, the journey would take approximately 4 to 5 hours. The estimate can vary based on weather conditions, sea state, and specific ferry schedules. So ngayon guys, palis na kami. Fastcat, natin kung talagang fast ang cat. Going to Surigao. Mga paalala sa kaligtasan sa pagsuot ng life jacket sa oras ng emergency. Number 1, magsuot ng life jacket agad sa oras ng emergency. Siguraduhin ito ay tama ng pagkakasuot at mahigpit ang pagkakatali. Pangalawa, ihanda ang iyong sarili at pakinggan ang mga tagubilin ng crew tungkol sa tamang paggamit ng life jacket. Pangatlo, manatiling kalmado at sumunod sa mga hakbang na ituturo ng crew upang matiyak ang kaligtasan ng lahat. At ang pinakahuli, sundin ang evacuation plan ng barko o roro at manatiling kasama ng inyong mga kasamahan o pamilya habang naghihintay ng karagdagang tagubilin. Guys, itong nakikita nyo, ito po yung Maligbo. Yan. Tapos din yung Padre Burgos, tapos yung island dun, yun yung Limasawa. Limasawa Island is located in the southern part of Leyte in the Philippines. It is historically significant as the site of the first Catholic Mass in the Philippines, which took place on March 31, 1521, celebrated by Ferdinand Magellan's expedition. The name Limasawa is derived from the phrase Limay Asawa, which means 5 wives in Bisaya, referring to the practice of polygamy among the island's early inhabitants. Another interpretation suggests it comes from Lima sa Wawa, meaning 5 at the river mount. Today, Limasawa remains a peaceful and culturally rich community. Touchdown mga tropa! We're here at Surigao! Surigao is one of the oldest provinces in the Philippines, with its history dating back to pre-colonial times. It was originally inhabited by various indigenous groups, including the Mamanwa and Manoba tribes. In 1543, Spanish explorer Roy Lopez de Villalobos reached the area naming it Caraga. Surigao was officially established as a province in 1901 during the American period. In 1960, the province of Surigao del Norte was created and Surigao City became its capital. Surigao del Norte is famous for its stunning islands, including Siargao, known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, and Bocas Grande, home to the enchanting Sohoton Cove. Guys, atas na po si Fastcat at yung mga passengers ay pumupunta na po sa kanilang mga pwesto. Iba nag-CR. So ito, atas na po. Yan po ang mga sasakyan nito po ang pinaka-exit and entrance ng mga vehicles ng mapunta tayo. Dito na, touching down, Lipat Port at Surigao City. Next, we will travel to the Enchanted River, where the Enchanted River in Hinatuan is a popular tourist spot known for its crystal clear blue waters and mysterious depth. You're watching Embarking. Surigao is amazing, but let's keep moving. Our journey continues to Agusan del Sur. Dito na po kami, nabuta kami ng ulan, stranded, si Pisces at si Martina. Ganda na po. So, yung cover ko ay cover na ni Pisces. Hop! Yaman ni Popcorn, nilipat pa! Saan? Kuha ka na naman sa video, bro! Kaya ganyan nakukuha ng Sige lang. Hinatawan is a coastal municipality in the province of Surigao del Sur, Mindanao, Philippines. Its name is derived from the Cebuano word Hinatuan, meaning a place of departure or arrival. Sa Hinatuan signage. Ayan, na nasa likod. Ang Hinatuan signage. Dito yan sa Hinatuan, sa Sumay, Surigao. So, makikita nyo guys, gabi na ako. Municipality. Ay, hindi pala. Tama, Surigao del Sur. Yan, tama. Surigao del Sur, Municipality of Hinatuan. Dito po ako sa signage nila guys. So, ganda. Talagang nakailaw siya. Nasa daanan lang. Pinagtanungan ko nga dito yung mga polis kasi hindi ko kabisado. Pero yun, yung kasama ko, medyo papunta na. Medyo galit lang. Nagkasalisihan kami sa after namin magkasama sa may bandang port sa Lipata. Yun, nagkasalisihan na kami. Pero nagkatawagan na po kami. So, papunta na si Brother JT ng Budgetarian Rider. So, yun, ride safe. Brother, kita-kits tayo dito sa signage. We've finally arrived at CJ's Homitel in Hinatuan. This cozy homitel is our home away from home for the next few days. It's conveniently located near the famous Enchanted River. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go! Ano? The hospitality here is incredible, and the rooms are comfortable and welcoming. Let's settle in and get ready to explore Hinatuan. Stay tuned for our next vlog where we'll be exploring the mesmerizing Enchanted River and more of Hinatuan's natural wonders. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time for our Day 5 Philippine Loop. Ano po sila? Siguro si ano to? Si Hershey, Jolly,